There we go. This is Lena from Lena's Backyard Homestead. And as you can see, it's raining. Today is May the 24th, 2021. It's done this all day. It's done this all week. It's done this for the last couple of weeks. 3 weeks maybe. Maybe 4. It's rained all month. All month. My gutter, there's so much rain, my gutters can't handle the rain. But look. Everything, it's all wet. There's no place for the water to go. No. The weatherman said we've had 4.2 inches of rain today. My onions are swimming. The watermelon likes it over there. Yep. My watermelons over here are liking it. Look how much they've grown. These are black diamond watermelons. They will take off. It'll be all over the window. It'll drape all through here. It'll be beautiful. And my squash plant over there is doing pretty good too. Got blooms all over it. Yep. He had a whole bunch of grapes over there. Oh, he still does. I've got grapes too. I don't know if you can see them right there. Walk down here. Look at my grapes. Look at them, they're so cute. I don't see any more grapes. Yep, this is what it's doing. It's raining. I wish I could get out here and get some stuff done. I'm going to show you how wet it is. I mean, it's just... And you walk out here, look at the water. It's just standing. Look. It can't go nowhere. Look, I have a swamp. Oh, you think this is bad. When do you see this swamp? And my zucchinis. Oh. My spaghetti, look at my spaghetti squash there. See it? Right there? I know, guys, I know. They're tired of the rain too. Look. I'm sinking in mud. Look. Look. Look at all the rain. Want to see my swamp? Look. That's the swamp back there. I'm surprised I ain't got alligators swimming back there yet. I'm sorry, guys. I know. See, they've even got water everywhere. Look, it's standing up over there. It's just slush, slush, slush. Look, all that. All this water. And just had the grass mowed. Out here walking around in the mud. I had green beans. I need to go ahead and just pick this one. There's one here. And there's another one right there. See the green beans? Look at this. I'm looking to see if there's any more. Not yet. Yeah. There's some here growing. Look how big those are. Look, I got peppers. I'm sinking in the mud. You know that song, Singing in the Rain? That does thunder. Look at those peppers. Those are banana peppers. And then I got some over here that are sweet banana peppers. And then somewhere, I saw them, I have some bell pepper. Oh, right here. I have some jalapenos. Look, there's some jalapenos right there. So there's another spaghetti squash in there. Oh, I'll tell you. It's just, Look at all the rain. Oh, here it comes again. Here it comes again. I'm going to get back up on the porch. Would you get back in that house? You're going to get wet. Go on, get in that house. And here it comes again. Well, that's what's going on here in Texas. I might need a boat, guys. I'll let you know if I need you to come rescue me. You know, us purpose have to stick together, and I may need a canoe. Alright, y'all have a blessed evening.